I film my YouTube videos with my phone, with my Android, to be very specific. And in this video, I'll be going through everything you need to know in order to shoot high quality videos with your phone. Hey friend, if you're new here, you are welcome to my little canal on the internet. Kindly take a second to hug that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do not take your consistent support for granted. Thank you. So you know why you're here. Let's get started. My first tip for you is to clear your background. Clear your scene. This is my background for today's video, and before I started shooting I had to remove the bottle of wines I had in the shelf. Yeah, I had to take off the things which I don't want you to see in the background. So before you start shooting, you need to clear your background. You don't want people to concentrate on the things going on there. Moving on to tip 2, your equipment. In order to have a stable video while shooting with your phone, you need a tripod. I'm using mine now, but let's see what we can do. Okay. So this is the tripod I am using. I have been using for my videos. Yeah, this is it. Give me a second. I think I've shown you this before. So this is how it is. I'll just place my phone here on this holder and that's it. Yeah. Let's get back into the video. You need to place your phone on something that is stable, and you don't want to use your hand as holder because you get tired. That's one. And two, it's not professional. So you need a tripod. The second thing you need is a microphone. Yes, you can use the microphone from your phone, but it's not going to be great. The sound is not going to be great, and you have to shout. First started out on YouTube was using my phone's microphone, and it was not cool as I always had to shout in my videos. Still, the production was not great. So I got a microphone. This is the mic. It's 2-in-1. I bought the 2-in-1. This is the spare. Currently using one right now. This is the one I'm using. This is what it sounds like when you bring it closer to your mouth. I don't like using it on my clothes. I don't like lapel mics. Okay, so I just place it on my table. That's why sometimes you see that the sound is still not that okay. Sometimes I pin it on my clothes. It just depends on my mood for the day or for a particular video. Okay, so moving on, you need an external microphone. This is not expensive. You can get it on Jumia. Does Jumia have this? You can check it out on Jumia if you're a Nigerian, or you can check it on Amazon. I am sure it's on Amazon, but I got mine on AliExpress. So you can check it on any of these e-commerce websites. It's very budget friendly. We're still talking about equipment. The next thing is lighting. Lighting is crucial when filming any video, not just for YouTube, any video. If you don't have money to invest in external light, because right now I am using my external light, you can use natural light. I love natural lighting as well. This is what my video would look like if I'm using natural light. So this is what it looks like filming with a natural light. The sunset is even down. It's still like this. So imagine shooting at the early hours of the morning when the sun is up, because I've put off my external light and this is what we're getting. So filming with natural light is beautiful for me. And if you ask me, I prefer filming with natural light because I am a YouTuber from Nigeria and I don't have to concern myself if PHTN will decide to seize their lights while I'm shooting. So using natural light is cool if you don't have the extra bucks to invest in lighting. Another thing I want to re-emphasize on is your tripod. If you check right now, this video is shaking because I'm using my hand to hold my tripod. So I have to re-emphasize on it. I think I didn't give you a practical aspect of that. This is it right now. I'm even tired. I'm using my hand to hold my tripod. You can see that the video is not stable. So you need a tripod. You cannot escape this one. You can escape the lightning. It's not important, especially if you're just starting out on YouTube. You can use a natural lighting. So let's get back to the video. Let me put on my light. So if you decide to use natural light, you need to choose a location that has plenty of natural light. like near your window. Another thing to be mindful of is the direction of the light, as shooting with the light source behind you can result in a silhouette effect. If you're using an external light, then the light should be directly in front of the subject, which is you, and not behind. Let me give you a practical example. This is me filming with the light behind me. All right, now you understand what I mean. So let's get back to the video. Moving on to tip 3, which is camera setting. I use Samsung S8 Plus to film my videos. So I'll be using my phone settings for this practical. These are really basic settings, and I believe that most smartphones of today have same settings. But before we get into the settings, you need to first decide if you're going to be filming with your front facing camera or your Ray camera. I am filming this video right now using my front facing camera. As a matter of fact, I film all my videos with my front facing camera. So if your phone front camera is of high quality, definitely go for it, because I feel comfortable using the front facing camera than the Ray camera for my videos. So let's get right into the camera settings. If you're using your Ray camera to shoot, here you will choose 1920 by 1080 setting and the aspect ratio of 16 by 9. My Ray facing camera is always on very high definition and 60 focal point. You can choose to change that to this one. So moving on to the front facing camera, which is what I use, you have to keep the setting on 1920 by 1080 and the aspect ratio of 16 by 9. Another setting I need to show you is the video stabilization. Especially if you're doing a vlog and you're using your Ray camera to shoot, you need to keep this on. When you keep the video stabilization on, it reduces shakiness in your footage. Tip 4 is filming. Don't just pick up your phone and press record. You need to clean the lens of your phone before you start filming. The next thing you need to take cognizance of is that you have enough storage in your phone. I've said this before in my previous videos. If you don't have enough capacity in your phone, then you need to get an external hard drive. The next important thing I want to talk about while filming is the frame composition. You need to make sure that the subject is in the center of the frame. Right now, I'm sitting in the center of the frame. The next thing is positioning. You need to position your phone horizontally and not vertically. I know this can be a confusing subject for a lot of people. You're not alone. Right now, my phone is placed horizontally on the tripod and not vertically. So this is vertical. You can hold or place your phone like this if you're filming for Instagram, TikTok, vertically. But if you're filming for YouTube, you have to place your phone on the tripod horizontally, like this. If you film your YouTube videos vertically, you have this black background, and you don't want that in your professional YouTube video. The next and final step is editing. I film with my phone and I edit with my phone. Just go to Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, the iMovie is there for you, or you can use other apps like the InShot or the VN. I used the VN in my first month, my first 3 months starting out on YouTube. So the VN was taking longer time to process my videos each time I upload them to the app for editing. I had to switch to the InShot. The InShot doesn't give me that stress. With InShot, once I upload my videos started, I can start editing immediately. The first thing while editing is to take out unnecessary footage, breaks, mistakes. Take off unnecessary footage and make sure your video flows smoothly. Add titles, transitions, additional effects, sound effects, music, text. You can choose to increase the brightness of your video, the warmth of your video. Just play around the settings. You can choose to increase the contrast, anything to enhance the overall quality of your video. So there you have it, friend. Tips and techniques to shoot high quality videos using your smartphone. You can see that I mentioned filming at the end of the video because it takes more than placing your phone and pressing record to achieve high quality videos. You need to take into cognizance your background, your lighting, your microphone, your tripod, your camera settings before filming. With practice and experimentation, you can create engaging and professional looking videos. for your YouTube channel. I hope you found value in this video, and if you do, kindly take a second to like this video. This will really help my channel. And if you've not subscribed yet, I hope you make the decision to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.